What's going on, YouTube? It's Alfred here again with another video. This time we have our first look at the Icon Professional Combination Wrench Set in the anti-slip grip iteration. On the left hand side we have the standard 14-piece set, no skipping in sizes. The sizes for this Icon include the fourth, the quarter, the fourth, 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 7/16, the half, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, 15/16, and 1 inch. So these are the sizes for the Icon combination wrench with the anti-slip grip. For the standard, as usual, for hand tools, for the most hand tools on Harbor Freight, lifetime warranty. Something that's shown on the box is made of precision machined for a perfect non-slip fit. Tough and durable polished chrome finish, includes premium storage tray and chrome vanadium steel. So again, here's the part number, WCAS14. So yeah, here is the standard size, side of the box, and in the rear. Again, what's super cool about these ones is they were on sale. Today is February 20th, 2026, and they had a 50% off sale. They were selling for 63 bucks, 64. Usually these go for around 120. 120, 125, something like that. So they had the for Inside Track members, they had a sale today, so went ahead and took advantage of that. This is my, out of all my tools, this is my most quality tools that I have here at the home. I do have Snap-on, Matco, and some other brands at the shop, but here at home for personal use, I mean, for 60 bucks, 64 bucks, like I can't pass this up. So again, here's the box from the back for the standard size 12-point wrench and the 15-degree offset, chrome vanadium, nice polish. Again, this is the anti-slip grip. So you can see the grooves in the wrenches, the teeth. From what the reviews say of people who have these tools, these wrenches, they grip onto fasteners and they hold on and they don't let up. So if you want a tool like this, for wrenches like this, that can get on a bolt, nut, or a fastener and just rip it up, this is the way to go. So yeah, so there is a standard. Moving on here to the right, so we have the Metric 14-piece set of combination wrenches. Same deal, the anti-slip grip. The item number is WCAM14. This one here is a non-skipping sizing as well. Goes from 6mm wrench all the way to 19mm wrench. Again, with the anti-grip slip of design. Lifetime warranty, pretty much the same deal. Show you the back of the box. Same deal, pretty much anti-slip, chrome vanadium, fully polished, lifetime warranty. The only difference is obviously the sizing of the kit. You can see the left-hand side, the standard size is a lot more bigger, substantially, than the Metric, just due to the sizing of the wrenches that are here as compared to the Metric. Another little difference that I've noticed as well is the holding tray. For the standards, you can see here is in red, and for the Metric, it is in black. So let me go ahead and unbox them, take out the wrenches from the boxes, and I will see y'all shortly. All right, and we are back. So here on the left-hand side is the standard wrenches with the tray. As you can see, it's in red. It comes with this plastic cover to protect it, I guess, from shipping. And it also comes with this piece here where none of the wrenches fly off. So it's just 3 Phillips screws that you have to unscrew to get into the box here. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and unscrew them and I will be right back. All right, y'all, I am back with the wrenches now fully unboxed. Here they are, starting from the standard size with the tray included. Definitely nice looking wrenches, very polished. The teeth on these things look amazing. Same thing for the metric side in the black tray. I have some, you can see here, I have some wrenches that I have here laying around the house, and I kind of want to compare them. Here we have the Pittsburgh standard, regular 16 millimeter wrench. For the SAE, I have the 11/16, the Hyper Tough Walmart brand, which I just unboxed not too long ago. I also have the Husky 16 millimeter on hand. Want to compare that. The Hyper Tough 16 millimeter from Walmart. I have also another Pittsburgh with the raised here to kind of compare it to. I have an older, I don't know if it's older, but I have a Craftsman 14 millimeter on hand as well. It says forged in USA. There's that. And then I have an older school 9/16 Craftsman here for the SAE. So I kind of want to see how they look in comparison to the Icon 16. So I will place this one here. As you can see, the Icon wrenches are a lot, or not a lot, but they are longer than the Hyper Tough, the Pittsburgh, even the Husky, even the Craftsman, really. Well, this is a 14 millimeter, but still, it is a lot longer. Put the box in here, kind of compare. So you can see it's not really apples to apples, as this is the anti-slip grip here, as opposed to just the standard. But want to show you the difference in polish. I know these are tools that have been used and abused, but definitely super polished, definitely longer than the other wrenches that I have here. As far as the other end goes, you can see there for the Icon as opposed for the Hyper Tough and the Husky. The Pittsburgh, the other Pittsburgh, and the Craftsman. For the SAE side goes, we have the 9/16 and 11/16 in Craftsman and Hyper Tough, and I guess I'll take out the 11/16 to kind of show the comparison of the difference in length in the wrenches. As you can see, the Icons are super long. Nice polish to them, easy to see with model number of the particular wrench. I am super happy. I just purchased like the whole set of the Hyper Tough and Standard and Metric. Planning to use it just here at home use, or having in the car, just having the whole set in the car in both Metric and Standard. But when this deal came along here at Harbor Freight, which is today, February 20th, 2026, for 50% off, I couldn't pass up. For 120 bucks or 130, wherever they are originally, it's a little steep for like what I'm gonna use them for. But for 64 bucks, $65, this is a no-brainer. I went ahead immediately when Harbor Freight opened, 9 o'clock in the morning, was there, picked up both standard and metric sets, and I couldn't be happier. The wrenches themselves are just like top notch. Obviously I haven't used them yet, but everything online you know, they have nothing but good things to say about these wrenches. So I am excited to utilize these, use them in my automotives here at home. Shoot, I might even swap these out for the ones I have in my garage. But so far, it's looking like real quality. Everything online seems super positive, so I can't wait to try these out. But anyways, y'all, here is a quick look and unboxing of the Icon wrenches, the 14-piece set in both standard and metric. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you all.